Hey guys, today we are reviewing detailing brush. This is from 26 Japan. It's for interior and emblem. Other parts that doesn't need a soft brush can use a paintbrush, like on the engine, because paintbrush won't be as soft as detailing brush. For emblem, it has to be soft, otherwise it will cause rolls. For interior, it also has to be soft, otherwise you will scratch the LCD or those with glossy interior parts. For door jambs, it's a choice because it's not really visible. You can use detailing brush or you can also use a paintbrush. See how it interacts with water? Clearly visible that it is very soft. And it's also strong because I don't see a bristle falling off. If you're interested, you can check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.